Hello and welcome to Strange Places, where we go places that most people wouldn't dare to venture. And I am your host, Max Power. So unfortunately, I was out exploring all week. I was out in the field getting a lot of footage, so I did not have time to edit a full-length Strange Places episode. But don't worry, full-length Strange Places episodes are returning this week. I just thought I'd release a little fun video for you guys. This video comes from when I was 16, when I decided to break into a train cockpit. I kept going in and out of there to film. And eventually, some old woman snitched on me and said, yeah, there's some teenagers screwing around in the cockpit, and the conductors came and I got kicked off the train. One more thing before you watch this, I was only 16, so I'm just saying some really stupid stuff in the video, and I got acne and stuff, so I was only 16, guys, so don't judge. Now we take you to the train cockpit on Strange Places.
Not sure yet, we got a guy working on a car, so. See the guy to our right. Deanna, 744 Union Avenue, dispatch over.
Dude, that's freaking sick. My turn now.
Central maintain across the East End Tower. Roll, Bob.
I know it was stupid, I shouldn't have done it, guys. I was 16, so new full-length Strange Places episodes are returning this week, so stay tuned. I'm your host, Max Power. See you next time on Strange Places.